Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two platforms in e-commerce being Ecwid and Big Cartel. So we'll be talking about the key differences between the two, as well as the pros and cons, and going over which of the two is the better option to use for your online store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So starting off with Ecwid, which is where I'm at right now, and this is what the dashboard looks like. So Ecwid boasts a wide range of features suitable for business of all sizes. So if you guys are just a startup company or a big corporation that's looking to do e-commerce and essentially sell your products online, then Ecwid is definitely one of the ways to go. So from customizable storefronts to seamless integration with popular platforms like Facebook and Instagram, Ecwid offers flexibility and scalability. Plus, it supports multiple languages and currencies, making it ideal for international businesses. Also, Ecwid's dashboard, as you can see, showcases stuff like inventory management, payment options, and integration with social media platforms, which is, let's face it, essential. So that's a quick overview of Ecwid. Now let's move on to Big Cartel and revisit Ecwid after we go over the dashboard for Big Cartel. So, Big Cartel focuses on simplicity and creativity, as you guys can tell from your simplified dashboard right here. It's perfect for artists, makers, and small businesses looking for a straightforward solution with customizable themes and a user-friendly interface. So Big Cartel actually allows you guys to showcase your products in style and in a personalized manner. So as you can see, Big Cartel's dashboard highlights a minimalist design with easy-to-use features. Now, as you can see here, there's the dashboard, the orders tab, the products tab, discounts. So it gets rid of all of the complicated stuff that you would normally encounter when using the interface for other platforms. Now, let's talk about the pricing for each. Now, starting with Ecwid, Ecwid offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan for those of you who are just starting out. So as your business grows, you can upgrade your plan to a higher tier one to match your business. On the other hand, Big Cartel keeps it simple with a straightforward pricing system. It offers a free plan with up to 5 products and paid plans with additional features for larger inventories. So, with all that said, which of the two is the better? Well, if you guys are a startup company who are just learning the ropes and basically just starting out, I would recommend a Big Cartel, no problem. It's very easy to use and is beginner friendly. Meanwhile, Ecwid is more targeted towards companies or individuals who are more adept with e-commerce. So in terms of flexibility, Ecwid is definitely the way to go. But if you guys are new, then there's no question Big Cartel is the one that you should opt for. And yeah, with that said, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.